Dr. Root, what happens to food after we throw it away?
That's a great question, Riya. Every day, people throw away so much leftover fruits, vegetables, bread, and many other foods. A pity.
Yes, it is, isn't it? But where does all that food go? And what happens to them?
Some of it ends up in compost bins or waste treatment facilities. And that's where microbes, which are tiny living creatures, get involved.
What exactly do microbes do there?
Food waste is a meal waiting to be eaten for many microbes.
Really? They eat it? How?
First, they break the waste into tiny pieces, and then they use those pieces as food to grow and get energy.
Okay, and then what happens?
As they continue doing this, most of the waste breaks down and leaves behind a valuable material called humus.
Humus. Why is it valuable, Dr. Root?
Because humus forms an important part of compost, a dark, soil-like material with nutrients that help plants grow.
Wow, so compost makes plants grow bigger?
Yes, the nutrients in the compost feed the soil and help plants grow bigger, stronger, and healthier.
So old food can help grow new plants?
That's right. Instead of letting food waste pile up, microbes help turn yesterday's leftovers into tomorrow's growing materials.
Hey there! Thanks for watching. The planet is full of surprises like this one. Discover more with us at Clidemy, the Climate Academy.